Hello everyone. Finding a used DualShock 3 for sale in a good condition and affordable these days is hard. During this research I found a manufacturer that produces a controller with a majority of the functionalities from the DS3. It's not OEM, but has exactly the same size, just heavier than the original. In the back, the right corner looks to have a reset button, and the sticker contains the information about the manufacturer of this wireless controller, MiniThink DualShock 3, and the barcode is identical in both units that I acquired. It brings a USB mini cable and 4 different cover sets to assemble on the joysticks. Personally, I prefer the concave cover, I like the Xbox 360 controller, to get more grip. To pair with your PS3, you just need to connect the included USB mini cable between the console and the DS3 and press the helmet button, aka the PlayStation button. In the menu, you can test right away the Sixaxis. As you can see, the particles of the XMB are responsively shaking the controller. Also, the Sixaxis can be used in games like Journey or Heavy Rain. Buttons are responsive, but don't have different outcomes depending on the pressure. In Sonic Generations, the difference in the jump is just if you pressure the button longer. The back triggers are pressure sensitive as expected, but hit the maximum level after pressuring more than half of the trigger. Compared with the original DS4, the difference in precision and sensitivity is huge. Making circles on the joystick, the cursor barely leaves the circular area, and the triggers have a longer range with different values. The DS3 have a strange behavior, showing 2 gamepads when connected to the PC, where the first just reacts to the movement of the joysticks diagonally. The second, we can see that even with slow movements, the cursor easily goes out from the circular area, and all the other buttons are digital, even the triggers L2 and R2, but the behavior on Gran Turismo 6 acts as analog. Maybe the driver for the macOS is not the ideal for this controller. The price for this controller is $18 for one or $26 for 2 units. As positive points, the controller has a great price performance and has 6 axes, unlike the cheap clones. If you are used to play with original DS3, you will find this controller a bit heavier, and the time to turn off the controller when it's idle is shorter. Related to the battery, I played Gran Turismo 6 for 4 hours with the vibration on and still had 65% of battery remaining, or 2 bars of 3. If this video helped to make a decision, please use the like button and subscribe to my channel.